So 41 from 3.8, you all should see a product rule. We're multiplying two different things together. So we're doing product rule. So we leave the first alone and take the derivative of the second, but that's just a power rule. We move the 3/2 in front and decrease that power by 1. So we should have 3/2 x to the 1/2 power plus, and we're going to take the derivative of the first one, it's just going to be 2 because derivative of that's 0 and derivative of that's 2. And we leave the second alone, so we're going to have x to the 3/2. Now we are going to do some algebra type stuff. Notice that both of them have an x. So we're going to take that x out. And the other weird thing we're going to do, if we don't like fractions, we're going to take the half out also. And that's going to mess some of you up. Sorry about that. So we're going to take an x out and we're going to take the 2 out. But we always take the smaller one. What's smaller? 1/2 or 3/2? I believe 1/2 is smaller. So we're going to take the x to the 1/2 out. And what's left? So what did I take out? I took out the 2 and the x to the 1/2. I took it out front, so I'm left with the 3 and that. I'm left with the 3 and the 2x minus 3. Okay, here's where your brains will fry a little bit. We have 1/2 times some number equals 2. 1/2 of what equals 2? And the answer is 4. Double check that. If you multiply 1/2 times 4, you get 2. So that takes care of that. And the reason we took out that half is to get rid of the fraction here, because it's prettier when you don't have fractions inside. And then we did this before. What's the power there? But this times this must equal that. So x to the 1/2 times x to the box, whatever that is, we don't know, must equal x to the 3/2. One more time, that times that must equal that. So clearly, hopefully it's clear, that missing number is a 1, because 1 plus 1/2 is 3/2. So that power is a 1. Let me clear all this out down here. The beauty of factoring, square root of x over 2. Now I'm going to distribute that. I'm going to get 6x minus 9 plus 4x, whoops, which is square root of x over 2. And that's going to be 10x minus 9. I believe that's the correct answer.